Welcome to Chatbot Demo. This chatbot is very interactive way to gather user information easily. It is fully customizable, where list of questions can be added. This feature can help to get any kind of data input from user. Text, numbers, gender, photos and files can be asked to user to fulfill all input needs. Bot can fetch questions from server as well as offline. Developer can set them in offline mode too. To implement this feature, developer need to write only 8 to 10 lines of code, which makes it very useful anywhere in app. For now this bot is custom, but soon after few updates bot will get brain to process various data throughout. As per app purpose, developer can also set bot image and bot name. User can visit websites directly from bot messages also. Okay. Enough information now. Thank you for listening me. To know more about this, contact us. We would like to help you out. Thank you.